Listen, easy. Good towards the end. Watch yourself, Danny. And she's kind of ornery. Good girl, Danny. Y'all move on. Get on up in there. Good girls. Good girls. Good girls. Y'all give it a rest. They are moving. Good girls. Load up. Load. Jane, load up. Look at that. Good girls. See? Then we just sit back, drink, in my case, smoke in Tyson's case. Easy. Stay. Ah! Jane, why you want to mess up a good thing?